Yes, I lost over 109,000 from a single trade. And the worst thing about this wasn't about the money, since I've lost way more in other trades. Like the time when I lost 146,000 in 3 days trading gold, or the 119,000 loss in 4 days. And I just can't forget the 80k loss in a single day. It was the fact that I was married to the trade. And when the market was constantly telling me leave and get out of the trade, I was convincing myself I was right. Now, if you've ever held a loser hoping it would turn around, you're not stupid. You did what's cost me hundreds of thousands. Now, in this video, I'll show you the shifts I made in my head and with my risk that took me from 109,000 loss to doubling and tripling in profit. If you want to see how I actually trade day to day, I've got a free group you can jump into. The link's in description. Now let's get right back into the video. Now the reason why I lost the 109,000 was because I entered the trade way too early while I was missing my confirmations. I clearly remember it was a buy trade. Because it had just broken an area of interest for me, I entered right there and then, not waiting for the retest and a few other confirmations. And then guess what? It turned out to be a fake out. The market turned and went below my area of interest, and it was at that moment I should have closed it and gone out of it. But I married the trade. The emotions and the greed took over, causing me 109,000 loss. And at the end of the day, on the same day, I re-evaluated and looked back at the markets. And guess what had happened? The original move had played out, which clearly told me the strategy and the direction was absolutely correct. But being married to the trade and not patiently waiting had cost me the loss of 109,000. The next day, I implemented more patience and waiting for the execution and let the trade come to me rather than me forcing it out. I turned the 109,000 loss into 68,000 profit. Now, as a result, I have completely detached myself from emotional trading and being married to a trade. And when I look back at the loss that happened, it taught me a lesson. And losses aren't losses, they are lessons. And learning from the lesson made me realize what to do and what not to do. As a result, I now have implemented stricter rules that can never wipe me out again, such as making sure I'm not entering early, I'm not letting my emotions dictate what the markets will do and is not going to do. I cannot go to the markets anymore with my mind already made up of what direction it will go in, unless it's given me the confirmations and it's fully ready. Because if I do this, I have already lost it again. And following the daily targets, such as only making 10k a day, to make sure the doctor stays away, which is not more than 3 to 4% risk per trade, is a strict rule as well. And since I've fixed all these, my results have tripled in 3.5 months. It took me years and hundreds of thousands in losses to learn this. You don't have to. Inside my VIP, I do it daily. Real trades, full reasoning, the wins and the losses, my own money on the line. Links in the description. Let's go.